Oh, wow. Alam mo,
One by one yung color, one by one. This one, that's that. Green yung leaves. Very good
Green.
Oh, this is carrots. What's the color of carrots? Carrots, orange.
Kaya mo siyang kamuha.
Naghihiya po siya ngayon. Just like any other, siguro,
Ano tomato?
Tomato, red. Ang galing mo.
Galing ah.
Ang galing ng bata.
Tomato red. Galing ah.
Color ng tomato.
etong mga nasa
Color tomato.
Color red. Red tomato.
Parang hindi masyado ano yung kulay. Yung transparent na ano. Not stay. Parang hindi masyado madami sa green.
Parang?
Hindi madami.
Oo, yung puti.
Puti, diba?
Oo.
Madugit tong ano eh.
Yung duct tape. Oo, yung puti lang.
Kasi every week, iba ang topic.
Oo.
Except that now, that is luxury po.
He find the color.
And you have to, cut that after.
Ano ba yung niya? Sunflower. Iba naman yung kulay niya. Hindi niya kasi alam yung color na sunflower.
Oh, what color is your flower? Yellow.
Hindi pa siya nakakita.
You have to find color yellow. Where's the color yellow? Sunflower is color yellow.
Alam niya yung mga kulay eh. Mamang.
Slowly lang, you're not a rust.
Cucumber. Anong kulay ng cucumber?
The cucumber, you have to color the cucumber proper.
What's the color of cucumber, Mang?
Green.
Color green.
Cucumber is color
Grab the color green. Green. Color green. Cook for the... Ano ba yung kinulay niya?
orange.
Ha?
Orange is sa carrots. Tama. Sarun ko pa sa ano.
Si Pono, inaano na.
Tama naman na. Orange yung...
Wag yan. Agagas kasi ano niya.
Kaya nga. Green yung ate mo. Green din yung mga dahon sa puno. Very good you're doing great, Teles. Green.
Ay, blueberry. Sabi mo blue.
The blueberry is there.
Grab the color blue. Color blue for this. Color blue.
Hindi pa
Talents.
daw siya tapos pang.
Color blue for this.
Ito pa nga, green pa yung isa. Yung carrots eh.
Color blue. Grab the color blue. Blue.
Blueberry.
Wag mo ano siya. Huwag mo ito.
Blueberry.
Color blue. Blue.
Blueberry.
Ano ba? Blue ba yun? Hindi ko. Color blue. Blue ba yun, Mang? Kinukulay niya?
Oo. That's like that. Blueberry.
Ay, violet yata. Blue ba?
Blue yan? Baba ka?
Blueberry. Ang cucumber, color. Diba cucumber? Ano daw color ng cucumber, Ma? Green?
Green.
This is,
Green.
this is color green.
Cucumber, green. Where's the green? Color
Green.
green, not blue. Green. This one, ito, green. Tama, green. You go. There, cucumber. Color, green. Yan. That's a cucumber. Yung color yun, hindi pa ko tapos kasi yun, may mga nakikita pa siya walang color eh.
Okay na. Okay na.